Window World has been around for nearly 30 years and has grown to become one of the leading retailers of replacement windows in the United States. Window World operates under a franchise model and currently has over 200 local franchises under its corporate umbrella, offering everything from replacement windows to siding and entry doors. Window World windows are manufactured by Associated Materials Incorporated, AMI. AMI has been manufacturing windows since 1947 and is currently one of the largest window manufacturers in the world. AMI is the parent company of Alside Windows. Window World windows are available primarily in vinyl. Window World offers 9 primary styles of windows: double hung, sliding, awning, picture, casement, bay, bow, garden, and basement hopper windows. The company offers a limited lifetime warranty on its window products for the original purchaser. The warranty, minus labor coverage, is transferable to the next property owner. Window World reviews maintain an average score of 88% across several online review sites. This equates to a 4.4 out of 5-star rating on average, which is very good. Recent customers have most cited great customer service and reasonable pricing as the primary reasons for choosing Window World for their window replacement project. Window World prices vary according to the style and size of window selected. However, the company is known for providing affordable prices when it comes to their window selection and generally are priced below the median price of comparable replacement windows. For more replacement window reviews and detailed pricing information on the leading window brands, please visit us at proreplacementwindows.com today.